wanted to touch base with you before we meet virtually for the first time. So I wanted to just show you some things on Schoology that have changed, and also to give you kind of an overview of what we're going to be doing this week. So let's just start with this. I have set this to view course as a student, and I just picked the first one alphabetically that popped up. So if you see their name, that's, I just picked random, or picked the first one. So so some changes that I've made: I've taken group A and B off and just put one calendar link in here. So if we open up that calendar link, we will see 11:16 through 11:27. We can click on that and bring up that calendar. So I'm going to scroll down here and move this down a little bit so you can see it. Well, I don't know why it won't let me show you all of that. There we go. Well, we can look at that sort of. All right, so you can see today, the 16th, we're going to look at virtual class expectations. And then you are going to start a project on what's called Onshape. So you're going to start that on at home on Monday. I have posted the assignment in Schoology, so it will walk you through how to do that. So you're going to be spending some time in Onshape. It is a CAD program that will work with your Chromebooks, so it's something that you can use at home, and you're going to do the fundamentals of it just so that you can work on the manufacturing cost project that we have in here that's coming up. So Onshape is very similar to Inventor, so I don't think you'll have too many problems with it. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll just take questions over Onshape. So you need to check in every day, and I'll try to answer any questions that I can. And while you're at home all week, you're going to be working on going through the whole training of the Onshape fundamentals. They're videos that you'll watch and work through the Onshape program while you do that. So that's pretty much it for the schedule, but you do need to check in every day virtually. So please make sure that when you come into the virtual meeting, you will be able to, let me go back to the Zoom meeting thing while I'm talking about that, but you will be able to be muted. Your audio will be muted when you come into the meeting. I would like your cameras on when you first come in until I can get attendance and see all of you, and we'll talk more about that in our expectations tomorrow. So here's the Zoom class link. You're just going to click on that, and it's going to take you into something that says Open Zoom Meetings. You're going to click that. If you do not have the app on your Chromebook, then it's going to have you download that first. So I would make sure I check that before the beginning of class time at 9 o'clock and make sure that you can get into those meetings. So I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. More about what's going on with the virtual and how we're moving forward. So I will see you at what do we have? 4th hour. So we are meeting at 10:30. So I will see you at 10:30.